In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your PMP certification to your LinkedIn profile in just minutes. Whether you've just earned your project management professional credential or you want to make sure your profile accurately reflects your expertise, I'll guide you through the process step by step so it's quick and clear. Start by opening your browser and heading to linkedin.com. This is your hub for updating professional credentials. Sign in using the option that works best for you: Google, Microsoft, or your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you may be prompted to enter a verification code. It's an extra moment, but it helps keep your account secure. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the upper right corner and click your profile avatar. From the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. Think of your profile as your digital resume. This is exactly where your new credential belongs and where recruiters expect to see it. On your profile page, locate the button just below your profile photo labeled Add Profile section. Click that to open your customization options. Under the recommended category, select Add Licenses and Certifications. This opens a new form where you'll enter the details of your PMP. In the name field, type Project Management Professional. Keep the wording precise so your credential is easily recognized in searches. For issuing organization, begin typing Project Management Institute and select the official PMI entry from the list. Using the correct organization ensures credibility and helps LinkedIn display the right badge. Next, add the date you received your certification. This keeps your profile current and shows exactly when you achieved it. You'll also see optional fields for a credential ID and a credential URL. If you have them, include them. Adding a credential ID or a direct link to your certificate makes verification effortless for anyone reviewing your profile, which can be especially helpful for hiring managers and clients. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything. Check spelling, confirm the issuing organization is PMI, and make sure the date is accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your PMP certification is now live on your profile, and it will be visible to your network, recruiters, and potential employers. That's it. Simple, professional, and done in minutes. Congratulations on showcasing your PMP the right way. If you found this helpful, explore our other tutorials for more tips to strengthen your professional presence online.